Hello, kids. Welcome to the Action Words game. Are you ready to play?
Yay! I'm so excited. Let's move our bodies and learn together. What's the first action word?
The first word is run. Can you run with me?
Oh yes, I love running. Run to the left, kids.
Now run to the right.
Faster, faster. Let's all run in a big circle.
This is fun. Okay, stop. Catch your breath.
Whew, that was great. What's the next action word?
The next word is clap.
Yay! I like clapping. Clap your hands slowly with me. Clap, clap.
Now clap your hands fast. Clap, 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 clap.
Oh wow, that was super fast. Let's do one more big clap together.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, clap!
Perfect. Okay, what comes after clapping?
The third word is jump. Are you ready to jump?
Yes, let's jump high like kangaroos. Jump, jump.
Now jump low like little frogs. Ribbit, ribbit, jump.
You look like bouncy balls. Jump, jump, jump.
And now freeze. Don't move.
That was so much fun. What's our last action word?
The last one is the best. Dance.
Yay! Come on, kids, let's dance together.
Move your hands side to side.
Spin around in a circle.
Shake your body, shake your legs.
Dance, dance, dance. Everybody dance.
You are all amazing dancers.
So, what did we learn today?
We learned 4 action words: run, clap, jump, and dance.
And we had so much fun moving together.
Yes, keep practicing every day.
And remember, learning is more fun when you...
Bye, kids. See you next time.